Hello world, here is Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. In this video we will take a look about Bitcoin. What's going on today? It's dumping. The Monday dump is here and you can see it. Bitcoin is dumping today with 6.4%, but look at the weekly. Bitcoin is in a plus about 12%. You can see it here. This is the 7-day chart, and yes, we saw a retracement, and that's very interesting now because it's a very big retracement with 10% for the day, and we will take a look about it. What's going on with Bitcoin for the next time? Where are the good supports? Is it now a good point to buy? Should we wait a little bit? Should we go short? Should we go long? We will answer these questions here on this video. Ethereum today, it's going down also 5.2%, not so much as Bitcoin, but also with 5.2%. In the weekly, it's going up only 3.3%. Look at this. Bitcoin is going up with 12%. The Binance coin is going down also 5%. ADA is going down with 4.6%. Polkadot is going down, XRP is going down, Uniswap is going down, Litecoin also down, Chainlink down. All coins here are going to the downside. We have every coin here in the red position today. Look at this, very interesting. VET, VeChain is going up with 20% in the plus. Who is the winner of the day? Let's take a look about this. The winner of the day is Harmony One with 70%. Wow, for the extreme bump. Let me take a look about it. 70%, and look at this on 7 days, 169% Harmony. Look at the chart, extreme, and look at this Holo on the weekly, 200% going up on the day, 59%. Engine is going up also. VeChain is going up. You can see it here with 20%. Very interesting here. And who is the biggest loser of the day? Let's check it here. It's Mana. Mana is going down. I have a video out there with Mana, a fun video, but Mana is going down for the day. But in the week, look at this, 118% in the plus. Very awesome here for Mana. So guys, here is the Fear and Greed Index, and you can see Bitcoin. We have still extreme greed in the market, 76 points. Yesterday, 78 points. Last week, 81 points. And last month, 92 points extreme greed. The quick overview for Tradingview. Here is Bitcoin on Tradingview. Here is the 1-day time frame, and you can see on the big time frame everything is looking nice. Strong buy, strong buy. On the 4 hours we have a neutral and a sell. Okay, interesting. On the 1 hour we have a sell and a strong sell. On 15 minutes also sell. So big time frame is telling us buy that Bitcoin. The short time frame is telling us we are neutral. And the very short time frame is telling us sell that Bitcoin, and we will check it now. Guys, before we start here with the TA for Bitcoin on Tradingview, I would like to show you something. You know guys, I am drawing very often here parallel channels to the upside like this to see for the first point what's going on here. I'm making a point like this here, and like this, so you can see, okay, very nice. Parallel trend, uptrend here, and we are here very bullish. We can make it green, so everything is nice. We are over the middle line. That's the first picture I always draw here if we begin here with this. But guys, today I would like to show you something else here. I would like to show you here a parabolic uptrend. It's very easy, a parabolic uptrend, and I will show you why it is so interesting momently for Bitcoin, this parabolic uptrend. Here on the left side you have the brush and then other things, and here is the curve, and you can make with the curve here the deepest point here. You can click on the deepest point, then you have this curve, and you can click here. You can use this line here. This was the low here, the lowest point, and if you're going to the upside and you use this lowest point and you click on it, you can see it. This is our parabolic uptrend. And yes, in this bull run, in this big bull run, this uptrend was never broken here. Here it retested this, not really, but a little bit, and now we have some space here to the downside. This is why I would like to show you this parabolic uptrend. Let me zoom in a little bit. This is still the daily chart, and the parabolic uptrend is momently on. Can you give you a price level like this on this point? It's about 51,600. Let me make it a little bit better, but it depends always where we will come to this point, tomorrow or in 3 days. Then it is here. I don't think that Bitcoin will go down today with a big candle. So maybe tomorrow or in 2 days, it's possible. If we come down a little bit more, if we see a retracement here, we may come to this point, 52,600 or 52,000. That's a very important support here on this parabolic uptrend, guys. We need to hold this support. This is the big picture, only the daily picture for Bitcoin. Okay, let's go deeper now. You know, we have some problems with the RSI. We look at the relative strength index and we will see, guys, we have still a bearish divergence. The bearish divergence is going here to the downside. I will show you quickly the RSI is here. Highest point, lowest points aligned. This is our bearish divergence. You can see the price is going up for Bitcoin and the RSI is going down. And that's the thing we are talking about every day. That's an extreme bearish thing here for this RSI, the relative strength index, guys. We have to watch it because that's very important for a lot of traders here. So the next thing is we have the MACD. The MACD is an indicator like here. We can type in MACD. It's very easy. Click on MACD and we have the MACD indicator and you can see it on the daily time frame. Everything is nice. The blue line is under the brown line, but look at the candles here on the downside. The green candles are not growing anymore. They are going to the downside and they are not dark green. They are light green. Look at this here. So this is telling us MACD is going down. Maybe we see more pressure to the downside. Maybe we see a lower Bitcoin price in the next day here because of this bearish thing. The bullish thing is here. The blue line is over the brown line, so everything is momently still okay. The crossing is the next problem we may see here. Maybe tomorrow. It's very interesting here. So these are the indicators from the daily chart. Let's turn off the RSI. It's not so important for us. And let's go deeper now. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Here is the 4-hour chart, and on the 4-hour chart you can see also our support, our parabolic support. I will make it green because support is always green. And if we are going to this point here, and it's like this, maybe it's possible, guys, we see a big dump here. I don't want to see it, and I don't think so, but it's also possible maybe to see a big dump more and more here today or tomorrow. We have 51,000 here for this very important support line here, the parabolic support here. So that's the first thing. Now, what's going on with the indicator, with the MACD, and what's going on with the EMA ribbon? And here it's very interesting. Yes, we have a long position here since the 7th March here. Long position, okay, and we have still a green ribbon band. But this bad candle here, this bad sell candle here, downgoing candle here, is fighting momently with this ribbon band. We have a new green one here, but it's fighting still in the ribbon band, and that's momently a big problem. As long as we have no closed candle here under the ribbon band, everything is fine, guys. We have not a confirmed break through this ribbon band. Momently, everything is fine, but it's still possible that this candle will go lower and lower and lower, and this would be a bearish thing. But for the moment, guys, everything is okay. It's not a big sell off extreme. It's not a flash crash or something like this. I saw so much things today. No, it's a retracement. It's a normal retracement we see every time here on Bitcoin. If it's going up, we may see a little down going Bitcoin also. So, in my opinion, guys, it's something very important to see here. I showed you on my last videos the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Elliott wave theory. I would like to try it here again. The Elliott impulse wave theory, in my opinion, we saw here on this point the Elliott wave ABC correction wave. Here, this highest point, the lowest point A, the highest point like this, and the lowest point like this. So this was a big bull run. We saw a correction wave ABC. Now again, this was a bull run. We can draw it here also with the 5-point Elliott wave upgoing theory. We start here with point 1, point 2, point, it's hard to say, maybe like this, 3, 4, and 5. This was the highest wave of this upgoing Elliott wave. Then we saw a correction, a ABC correction again. We are still in the 4-hour chart, and I will show you here maybe the correction wave. I know it's very hard to draw it and to find the best points here, but let me check it. Here is point A, point B, and point C. So correction finished with the deepest point. Now the next one, and that's the important question now, is the 5-wave upgoing wave, the impulse wave. Starting with this point, 1, 2. Now it's the question, guys, very interesting. Where is point 3? Maybe this, point 4, and this was the highest wave, the last one, 0.5. So if this 5-wave Elliott wave is finished here with 0.5, we may see now a correction. And that's very interesting now, I think. We can make some future drawings, some magic glass Yoda Biti drawings. We can try it here with the ABC correction. If we go down here, with this was the first point, we may see now an upgoing Bitcoin for the next time. And then it's possible to see a downgoing point to point C about 52,800. So guys, it's possible. If this is the ABC correction now for Bitcoin, we may see a little downgoing Bitcoin. But look at this, we are always over this important parabolic line here. That's always the important thing for the moment. Everything is nice. Everything is still nice. We are still in a bullish thing here. For the next thing, guys, that's the MACD. Look at this on the downside. On the 4-hour chart, it's the extreme bearish MACD. Yes, the blue line is under the brown line. We crossed it here on this upside. The ribbon band is still bullish. It's green, but now it's maybe turning into red if Bitcoin will go down a little bit, or Bitcoin will go up anymore here a little bit to point B and then to point C. So that's the next important thing we have to watch on the 4-hour chart now for Bitcoin. Let's go deeper. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. What's going on in the 1-hour chart? And here also the picture, very nice, guys. The nice picture, it's not a nice picture if you're in a long position. It's only a nice picture for the chart here, because you see we have a green ribbon band. It's now turning into the red one because we are on the 1-hour chart, definitely under this ribbon band. So this ribbon band is coming like a wave over our heads. It's a resistance. And yes, we have on the 1-hour chart a short position here like this. Very nice is this line here. It's the EMA 200 on the 1-hour chart. This line is working perfectly momently as a support. You can see it. We have no confirmed closing candle here under this EMA 200, and we are still over this EMA 200 support. That's the very nice thing here. The MACD on the 1-hour chart is bullish, but you can see the red candles here are not growing anymore, and they are not dark red, they are light red here. And maybe that's a good point to see an upgoing Bitcoin here on the 1-hour chart for the next time. Very nice. If you had a long position from here, from the downside, maybe on 55,000, very, very nice. That's a very good point for a long position here. So that's it for the EMA ribbon band on the 1-hour chart, also the MACD. The next thing, guys, is very important. We will take a look about it. We will take a look about the Fibonacci. What's going on with the Fibonacci line? So let's check it. We have the lowest point C like this. We have a highest point 5 like this. So we are drawing from the highest point here, like here, to the downside, to the lowest point, to point C, a Fibonacci line. And we have to make it to the other side. My fault, once again. We can draw it like this. Where is my dark line? Here it is. From this side to the downside. So not exactly, but it's okay. It's working here. We can see our Fibonacci line is here measuring with the highest point and measuring here with the lowest point. So we have here, let me check one thing very quick, guys. It's not the best thing I make here. Check the settings, and we will make here another thing. We make, let me check one thing. The price, the labels, I would have it to the right side, please. Yes, that's better. And that's okay. And the extend the lines. So, and the right one also. So this is the best setting here. So we have a beautiful picture here. A beautiful Fibonacci picture drawn by Michelangelo da Biti. And this it is, guys. We have here the Fibonacci's, we have here our targets. Let's take a look about this. This is the 1 hour chart, and we are acting here in this Fibonacci lines. No, don't like to move it. So this point A was the deepest point. It hit it perfect, the 61.8% Fibonacci line at 54,600. This was a very nice support and a very nice long or a buy point here. So if you bought here on this Fibonacci line, you made it perfect, because this was, you can see it measuring exactly here. So we have now, guys, let me show you something we have now. The support of this Fibonacci line with a price label like this, 54,600. We have now a resistance Fibonacci line like this. It's a very important, it's the golden pocket line with 78.6. That's our big resistance for the moment, 57,800. So Bitcoin immediately needs to break this 78.6 Fibonacci line, this gold pocket line, to move on more and more to the upside. Maybe we see a little sideways going, or maybe we see a breakout in the direction to B. Maybe we see the B point like this. It's possible to see 57,000, and then it's possible we see a breakdown to the point C. Maybe it's possible to see a breakdown to this Fibonacci line. I can show you. This is the price label for this Fibonacci line. That's the 50% Fibonacci line with 52,400. That's a next maybe possible target. It would fit with our parabolic trend line here from the downside. You can see it like this here. So it's possible if we will ask our future glass, our magic future glass with the A, what's going on, Biti? Can you tell us the future? No, sorry guys, I can't. But I am trying to show you all my knowledge I have to show you the next possible targets. And we should be prepared for both sides, for up and down going. So guys, you see it here. Our target to the upside, 57,000. Our big support, 54,600. And our support, our point C to the downside, our must hold, the 50 cent, greetings to 50 cent out there, the 50% Fibonacci line, 52,400, must hold. That's our big support. If this will break, guys, we have to check it for a new one, because we have some problems then. For the moment, everything is fine, everything is okay. We are in a nice uptrend, everything is working here. Guys, that's the big picture momently for Bitcoin. That's all I can tell you momently. I could show you more here, but it's too long for a video, I think, if I will show you here some stuff here, something else here. This uptrend is momently working nice on the 1 hour chart, a green nice uptrend. You see the middle line also working as a resistance. That's the next big thing. If we can't break over 57,800, we have a next resistance. That's the middle line momently of this uptrend, and that's this point, 59,200. That's the next point to watch here. Guys, thank you very, very much for watching. This is my Bitcoin Trading Informant live stream. It's streaming live 24 hours, 7 days a week. You can see there are a lot of interesting stuff. You can see there Bitcoin in 50-minute chart, 1 hour chart, 4 hour chart, a lot of interesting news here. You can see here live buy and sell signals, long and short signals, a nice, very, very nice community here, a great supporter team here. Also, you can see it on the last week, my top 3 cheerer. Thank you, Xavier. Thank you very much, Troll. Magulciuti, greetings to Italy, sorry for the name. Thanks to Troll, place number 2 here, and thank you very much to Ant Empire, the 3rd place for my top cheerer last week. And thank you, special thank you to Mirko for the last week top sub spender. He spent 10 subs here on my channel. Thank you very, very much, Mirko here. Greetings to Rome. A lot of nice guys here. You can see we are writing here. Gamerheart is here. Angry Higgins. Crypto Sharknado is here. Who else here? Antempire 4 is here. Fernandez I've seen here. A lot of nice guys here. And greetings to all. Tsar Machine 96 is here. Boba Fett is here. Greetings. And a lot of nice guys here, Real Ghost, and so on and so on. So a really nice community, a really nice chat here. If you have some questions, if you would like to trade with us together, please join our channel, Twitch TV, Bitcoin Trading Informant, or on YouTube also, guys. Have a nice time. Greetings. And guys, it's very important. One thing, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. And it doesn't matter, guys, if you're going long or if you're going short. I wish you guys, you make millions out there. Greetings, yours Biti, your Bitcoin Trading Informant. Bye bye.